Hi everyone, I am Ritu and welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I converted this top into this puff sleeve crop top, so keep on watching. I'll start by detaching the front and the back portion of the top. As the front portion of the top is sheer, so I'll use that for the sleeves and I'll use the back portion for the main top. So I'm cutting it off from the sleeves and from the sides so that I get two different parts. So I'll keep the top part aside for now for making the sleeves, and I'll start with the main top. As I want to make a puff sleeve crop top, I'm taking a crop top that I have and measuring the length of the fabric that I want. For making this top, we have to make a tube top first, so I'm measuring that. I'm cutting off the excess from each side. Now for the length of the top, I am folding it with 1 inch gap for the hem. I am cutting it off along the folded line. So now we have got the base of the tube top. Now I'll just fold it over and stitch it from the sides and also hem it from the top and the bottom. Now moving on to the sleeves, I am cutting the front part of the top from the middle. I am cutting off the button part as I don't want it right now. And with the two parts, I'll be making the two long sleeves for the top. So the elastic that the top already had at the bottom, I'll be making it the wrist part of it. Here I am cutting off the excess fabric from the sleeves and I'll then sew it from the sides. So this is how the sleeves and the body of the top looks after sewing all the sides. For making the puff sleeve, I am folding the shoulder part of the sleeve in a loop and I'll stitch it all along the way by leaving a little bit of the gaps so that I can insert an elastic from that gap all the way through the loop. I had this elastic from an old trouser and I'm cutting it into a thin strip. Then I'm putting a safety pin on one end of the elastic and I'll pass it from the gap throughout the loop and take it out from the other end. Then I'm sewing the elastic together and I'll hem the gap. So this is how both the sleeves look after making it a puff sleeve. Now to attach the sleeve to the top, you have to match the side stitch of the top with the stitch of the sleeves and sew a straight line along the hem about 4 inches. This is how it looks after attaching the sleeves. I think the fit is great and the sleeves also turned out quite nice. I also like the length of the crop top. You can wear this type of tops with any kind of high waist bottoms. I'm styling it with a choker necklace. And that's it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Do give it a like, share it with your friends and subscribe for more videos like this. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.